Good morning, students. Welcome to today's session. In this session, we are going to discuss about circles. A circle is the collection of all those points, say P, in a plane, each of which is at a constant distance from a fixed point in that plane. Say in the adjoining figure, it is a circle. See, it is a center. See, this is radius. This constant distance, it is called radius. Here, CP is radius. AB, a chord passing through the center, longest chord passing through the center, it is called a diameter. So here AB is the diameter. Also we know diameter is equal to 2 into radius, 2r, where r is a radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay. Next topic, circumference of a circle. The distance around a circular region is known as its circumference. We cannot measure the length of the whole arc with the help of a ruler. We can find the distance by putting a string on the edge of the circular object and taking all around it. Consider this following table. See, first column it is radius, diameter, circumference, ratio of a circumference to diameter. So first radius I have taken, it is 3.5 centimeter. Diameter means 2 into r. So 2 into 3.5, it is 7 centimeter. Then what is its circumference? Circumference, it is a 22 centimeter. Yes, by using a string, so it is 22 centimeter. Next column, ratio of circumference to diameter. Circumference, it is 22. 22 is to diameter, it is 7. 22 is to 7 means that is equal to 22 by 7. Okay. Next radius, it is 7. Diameter means 2 into r. That means 2 into 7, it is 14 centimeter. Find its circumference by using string. It is 44 centimeter. Then finally ratio, 44 is to circumference is to diameter. No? 44 is to 14. That is equal to 44 by 14. Simplify a common factor. It is 2. 2 into 7, 2 into 22. So it is also equal to 22 by 7. Okay. Next radius 14. The diameter 2 into r, 28. Find its circumference by using string. So it is 88 centimeter. 88 centimeter. Then ratio 88 is to 28. 88 is to 28. That is also equal to 22 by 7. Here 4 is the common factor. 4 into 22 and 4 into 7. It is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is actually, it is approximately equal to 3.14. So we notice that, see, all these are 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay. In each case, ratio of circumference to diameter, that means C by D, it is constant. It is equal to 22 by 7, right? It is also equal to 3.14. This constant ratio is denoted by pi. Okay, it is read as pi, P-I, pi. Okay, it is read as pi. Therefore, C by D is equal to pi. Therefore, C is equal to pi D. C means circumference equal to pi D. Okay, circumference equal to pi D. We know D is equal to 2r. So, this also we can write circumference equal to, instead of D, we can write 2r. So, it is 2 pi r. So, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, circumference of a circle is equal to pi D, or circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, where r is a radius, here d is a diameter. Okay. Let us solve one question. What is the circumference of a circle of diameter 10 centimeter? Pi, it is given, it is 3.14. Okay. So we know circumference of a circle is equal to, circumference of a circle is equal to, we know it is pi d or 2 pi r. What is given here? D. So we can take the equation, it is pi d, because d is given. Okay, d is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore circumference equal to, pi means it is 3.14. 3.14 into d. D means it is 10. 3.14 into 10, it is equal to 31.4 centimeter. Unit centimeter. 31.4 centimeter. Next question. What is the circumference of a circular disc of radius 14 centimeter? Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay. What is circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is equal to, Here what is given? Radius. So we can select the equation. It is 2 pi r because r is given. Okay, 2 pi r. What is r? R is equal to 14 centimeter. Then just substitute the value. 2 into pi means it is given. It is equal to 22 by 7. Here pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay, pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r means it is 40. Why we selected pi is equal to 22 by 7 now? Because here we can simplify. Common factor 7. 7 into 1, 7 into 2. Finally, it is equal to 2 into 22 into 2. Okay, how much? It is 88 centimeter. So, circumference of that circular disc is 88 centimeter. Okay. Next topic, area of circle. The area of the region enclosed by a circle is called area of circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Okay. Let us solve one question. Find the area of a circle of radius 30 centimeter. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. What is area of the circle? Equation. Area of the circle is equal to, it is equal to pi r square. What is r? It is given. How much? It is 30 centimeter. Pi is equal to 3.14. Therefore, area is equal to, just substitute the value. Pi means 3.14 into r means it is 30 square, no? R square. It is 30 square. So, that is equal to 3.14 into 30 square means 30 into 30. See, 30 square means it is 30 into 30. That means 3 into 3, 900. Okay. So, 3.14 into 900 equal to 2826.00 centimeter square. Unit centimeter square. Okay. So, area of the circle is 2826 centimeter square. Next question. Diameter of a circular garden is 9.8 meter. Find its area. Okay, it is a circular garden, no? So, area of a circle is equal to, area of a circle is equal to, it is pi r square. Okay, so what is r? Here given that diameter is 9.8 meter. Diameter is 9.8 meter. Then what is radius? Radius equal to 9.8 by 2. Okay, so that is equal to 4.9 meter. Radius 4.9 meter. Then just substitute the value. Area is equal to pi means we can select, this is 4.9, no? So I think select 22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7 into r square. R square means 4.9 square. It is 4.9 square. Okay. So that is equal to 22 by 7 into 4.9 square means it is 4.9 into 4.9. We can cancel common factor 7. 7 into 1, 7 into 0.7. Okay. So remaining 22 into 0.7 into 4.9. That is equal to 75.46 meter square. Okay. So area is 75.46 meter square.